Manufacturing has two areas. It focuses on robotics and welding. In robotics, we focus more on the computer aspect of it. We build everything on the computer first in our CAD program. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Then in welding, we are focusing more on hands-on, straight to metal.
The welding program is a great way to learn hands-on experience and a great way to improve your time management skills along with your work ethic and your ability to work well with others.
In robotics, we are learning to solve real-world issues by combining mechanics and electronics to create a solution.
Personally, I signed up for welding because it's just something I've always loved to do, and I like to work with my hands and work with others. If you're the type of person that likes to work with others and work with your hands and learn how to do things, welding's what you want to do.
A student would want to sign up for this program because we are learning a lot of team building and a lot of individual learning. In robotics, we go to robotics competitions. That is one thing that really drew me to the program, is the competing aspect of going up against other schools that are also given the same task and to see how they built a robot. And it's interesting to see how everybody's brains works differently to complete the same task.
So the careers associated with welding range from all the way to natural gas, to pipeline, to welding underwater.
Careers associated with robotics, such as software developer, robotics engineer, electrical engineer. There's such a wide variety of options for robotics and welding. Good skills to have for robotics would be an amazing team builder, communication with others, and a problem solver.
Some of the certifications you can get from welding, which will contribute to your overall career, it'll make you really successful, are your AWS structural steel certification and your AWS sheet metal certification.
If you're watching this video and it looks interesting to you, you're most likely going to love it because it can be challenging in a good way by surprising you at how great you can be.
Welding is a super cool career path. It takes some time to learn it, to be good at it, but once you get good at it, you won't regret any decision that you've ever made. You're going to be great at it and you'll succeed in anything you want.
I love this program because it has led me into the career path that I want to follow.